ब्रेका उपरांत परत एक फाट येवकार. आता पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. काँग्रेसीच्या लोबो जोडप्यान कलंगूट आणि शिवोले मतदारसंघात जैत मेळयले. मायकलांक कलंगूट 4,979 मतांनी जाल्यार डिलायलान शिवोली 1,361 मतांनी जैत मेळयले. थळाव्यांनी दोगांयकूय परबी भेटोवंक लोबोच्या घरा कडेन गर्दी केल्ली. मतां फुटलेल्यान कितल्याशाच जाग्यांचेर आमकां मार बसलो. सुमार 7 ते 9 उमेदवारांक मत विभागणेचे फटको बसलो. काँग्रेस गोंय प्रदेश अध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकरान हारीचे कारणां स्पश्ट केल्ली. काँग्रेस हावसान घेतलेल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत तो उलयतालो. काँग्रेसीच्या हारीची जबाबदारी आपूण स्विकारता अशें ताणें म्हटलें.
Party President, I accept my failure to convince people of Goa not to split the votes. Although we tried it loudly and clearly, but we could not convince the people that Congress is the only alternative. Although nearly 25% people believed in us, but there is large number of voters who chose otherwise. And time and again BJP leaders were saying they will win these Goa elections because the three parties will split the Congress votes, and I feel somehow they have succeeded as of now. We just want to congratulate all the winners. We have a very young team. When we had gone for the elections, we had just one MLA, that is our CLP Dikumar Kamal, and today we have all young new faces, maybe 8 new faces that have come, young faces that have come, and they are committed to the cause of people of Goa. We hope this government, the new government, after taking over, will respect the call given by the people and what everyone of us have committed to regarding the 3 linear projects, to protect the environment, to protect Goan identity, and we will continue to fight with this new government. Secondly, as a party president, I accept my failure also for not able to bring my party to victory.
गोंयच्या जनतेन दिल्लो कॉल आमकां मान्य आसा. गोंयकारांनी भाजपाक बहुमतान वेंचून हाडला. ही सैत परिस्थिती आसा आनी आमी ती मान्य करतात अशें काँग्रेसीचो राष्ट्र फुडारी पी चिदंबरमान सांगलें. भाजपा विरोधांत आसलेल्या वातावरणाचो आमकां फायदो करून घेवपाक कळ्ळें ना. ही आमची चूक अशें ताणें म्हटलें. भाजपाक हारोवपा खातीर विरोधकांनी एकपट दाखयल्लो ना. हेंच आमच्या हारीचें मुख्य कारण थारतलें अशी खंत ताणें उक्तायली. पूण ह्याच वेळार काँग्रेसीच्या तरणाट्यान उमेदवारांनी वेंचणुकेंत बरी फायट दिल्ल्याचें ताणें सांगलें.
Wanted a change, but in their voting behavior, they could not bring about the change. I say this because the winning party, the BJP, got only a little over 33% of the vote. The overwhelming majority of the voters voted against the BJP, but those votes were split among many parties, which gave the BJP an opportunity to win 20 seats. The second is that although we communicated the message, if you want change, vote for the Congress. Do not split the votes among other parties. We accept that message is perhaps not communicated as effectively as it should have. That message was heard by all Goans, but they reacted differently and voted largely for the Congress party, but also voted for other parties, especially the new entrants to the electoral field in Goa. As a result, the non-BJP votes were divided, in some cases hopelessly divided, which gave BJP a free pass to victory in that constituency. Nevertheless, we accept the verdict because under our present system it is first past the post, and the BJP has been the first past the post in 20 constituencies.
आम आदमी पक्षाचो मुख्यमंत्री पदाचो दावेदार अमित पालेकार विधानसभा वेंचणुकेंत हारलो. सांताक्रूज मतदारसंघात सावन तो आप पक्षाचो उमेदवार म्हूण वेंचणुकेच्या मैदानात देंवलो. ताका काँग्रेसीच्या रुदोल्फ फेर्नांदीसान हारयलो. रुदोल्फ 8,841 इतकी मतां मेळ्ळी आनी तो जिखलो. जाल्यार भाजपाच्या आंतोनियो फेर्नांदीसाक 6,377 इतकी मतां मेळ्ळी. जाल्यार अमित पालेकराक 4,098 मतां मेळ्ळी. ह्या विधानसभा वेंचणुकेंत आप पक्षाचे 2 उमेदवार वेंचून आयले. भाजपाचो काणकोणचो उमेदवार रमेश तवडणकार जिखलो. जिखलेल्या बद्दल ताणें खोस व्यक्त केलो. तशेंच कार्यकर्त्यांचे आनी मतदारांचे ताणें उपकार मानयले. तवडकारान काँग्रेसीचे उमेदवार जनार्दन भंडारी तशेंच अपक्ष उमेदवार इजिदोर फेर्नांदीसाक आनी विजय पे खोत हांकां हारयलो. रमेशाच समर्थकांनी गाड्यांची रॅली काडून तशेंच फुलय फुलय कमळ फुलय म्हणून जेताची खोस व्यक्त केली. तर आमचे बुलेटिन हांगासरूच काबार जाता. हांव अलिशा मेनेझेस तुमचे कडल्यान निरोप घेता. तुमी अश्योच आनीकूय खबरो मेळोवपा खातीर पळयत रावात गोमंतक टीव्ही.